Introducing the brightest, most efficient lighting solution ever made for your refrigeration and freezer display cases, SimpleTube. SimpleTube represents the state-of-the-art lighting solution for grocers and food retailers. This innovative and environmentally friendly product not only outperforms traditional fluorescent lighting, but also lowers utility bills and eliminates maintenance concerns. LED lighting consistently show off the rich, vibrant colors of today's most brilliant packaging without the normal degradation you have come to expect from legacy fluorescent products. LEDs performing best in cold environment make them ideally suited for freezer refrigeration application.
My name is Mike Guerrero with the Light Center in Fort Collins, Colorado, and we're sitting here in Wilbur's Total Beverage, which is by far and away the largest liquor store in northern Colorado. And we retrofitted all of their cooler doors, over 80 of them in total, with the SimpleTube product from American Bright. The SimpleTube was by far and away our top choice because it's so easy to install. It performs so well. We've installed upwards of 2,000 SimpleTubes at this point, and we've never had one failure. And the price as well. I mean, you'd be hard-pressed to find a more reliable product at this price point in terms of cooler LEDs.
SimpleTube is available in a wide range of color temperatures and 6 standard sizes to meet the needs of all existing and future applications, and it has no external bulky driver or ballast to contend with. There's no special tool needed for simple installation.
I have to say we enjoy our new lights. We originally brought them in because we wanted some energy savings. The type of savings that we've been seeing with them has been very noticeable, and we appreciate that. But the reality of it is the energy savings is probably the secondary thing that we like the most about the lights. The new sparkle, the new look, the new vibrance that it gave our cooler is amazing. We've also noticed that our cooler's not working as hard as it used to do. Back when we had the regular lights in there, they generated a fair amount of heat, which we had to dissipate with our cooling units. So 3 things we're enjoying about it are the nice look that it presents, the energy savings from the lights themselves, and the energy savings from our cooler not working as hard. Hope you enjoy them too.
SimpleTube, as an installer, we love putting them in. The easeability of installation is a piece of cake. They take minutes.
LED lighting will save the average retailer in excess of 40 to 60% in energy conservation alone. This UL safety-approved system contains no hazardous materials such as lead or mercury and complies with the most stringent RoHS standards.
Well, we used to have fluorescent lighting in our cooler doors, and we switched to SimpleTube lighting, and I think the difference has been significant. The products pop off the shelf. It's a much cleaner presentation, and I really like the look a lot better.
Why choose SimpleTube over other LED products? There are many reasons. Patented simple driver technology for direct AC connection, easy installation and maintenance, uniform light distribution and great color rendering effect, works with standard motion sensor control and electronic dimmer, 6-year warranty. Isn't it time you took your lighting seriously and gave the SimpleTube a try? For further information, please contact our American Bright lighting specialists.